Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLDX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would like to kind of view as the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 32 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 32, I'm not saying that from my viewpoint that implies that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying that if you view it like that, that just would imply the chart is extremely, extremely powerful. So yeah, if the price can stay above 32, that'd be a huge sign of strength. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 32 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of sellers, pretty straightforward here, nothing complicated. The party stopped today right up there just shy of 37 cents. So right around 37 will be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the chart has already been doing. And the chart has been doing a great job of just chipping away, building these higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that works too. So yeah, as long as the price continues to build these stair steps as time goes on and, puts in those higher lows, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.